We, the Perera Lab students.
We, the Perera Lab students.
We, the Perera Lab students.
We, the Perera Lab students, worked together earlier this year to submit a nomination for you, Rushika, for the Overall Living Our Values Award. I wanted to first start this video by reading to you the nomination that we submitted. So, here it is. One of Rushika's biggest strengths lies in her desire to constantly challenge herself and grow as a scientist. Her research seeks to unravel the complexities of host pathogen interactions by examining the changes to host metabolism upon viral infection. As metabolomics is still an emerging field, there are still many unknowns and technical challenges. However, Rushika's eternal optimism does not allow her to see these challenges as hindrances, but rather as opportunities to innovate and push boundaries. Rushika cultivates collaborations, both within the department and with researchers and clinicians around the world. A shining example of her ability to collaborate and innovate is her co-development of the Center for Metabolism of Infectious Diseases, or C4Mind. This interdisciplinary team comprises PIs, research scientists, statisticians, industry partners, and students unified in their objective to develop a global infectious disease metabolome, universal metabolomics protocols, and computational platforms that will be transformative to the field of metabolomics. Rushika sets an incredibly high bar for her students and for her peers. However, she leads by example by holding herself accountable to an even higher standard. She is keenly aware that she is not only responsible and accountable to her lab or her students, but that she also has a larger role in the university and global community. Rushika's commitment to diversity and inclusion best exemplifies her contribution to the university because she is a consummate champion for underrepresented students and faculty. If she believes something is worth fighting for, she will not relent. For example, she recently challenged and reformed the review process for graduate applications from underrepresented minorities in the MIP department. A more recent example of her accountability and commitment to the global community occurred in March, when she very quickly mobilized her lab and shifted its focus to doing antiviral drug testing for SARS-CoV-2. She has worked tirelessly and relentlessly to make this shift so that her lab is capable of performing medium throughput analysis of antivirals in order to help combat this global pandemic. As her students, we exist in an environment enriched in our college's values. Rushika is transparent in her expectations of her students and of herself. We are viewed and treated as both mentees and collaborators. Everyone has a voice in her lab. Rushika also maintains an open door policy both regarding our research projects as well as her various endeavors within the college. In addition, she fosters open conversations regarding the challenges we face within the scientific and global community, as our lab consists of multiple underrepresented minorities, such as women in STEM, varying ethnicities, as well as members of the LGBTQ+ community. In closing, Rushika embodies our college's core values of transparency, accountability, collaboration, innovation, and respect. We could not think of a person more deserving of this award, and it was an honor to submit this nomination.
Rushika Perera is a special kind of mentor. She is a lifetime mentor. She advises her students throughout their scientific careers despite any challenges or obstacles they may face. She is an innovative woman in everything from her scientific research to inclusion and diversity efforts and even the world of dance. She is honest and respectful to both her students and her colleagues. Exemplifying this, Rushika works extremely hard to educate and inform her students about inclusion and diversity. She works to make her lab environment welcoming and open to anyone looking to collaborate. Her lab environment is reflective of her personality: supportive, hardworking, collaborative, and a little bit silly. Her enthusiasm and passion for virology are just about as infectious as the flaviviruses that she studies. She holds a reputation of being a social butterfly and a leader in the field of viral metabolomics. Her smile and laugh are extremely contagious, and she is well known to create collaborations and friendships at every meeting that she attends. She fills her lab with hardworking students and encourages them to take accountability of their own projects, present posters, and speak at and attend conferences. She helped me find enthusiasm for virology and a passion for research. She pushed me to learn more techniques, ask quality research questions, and become just a well-rounded scientist. I am extremely grateful for the impact Rushika has had and continues to have on my scientific career and my life. Thank you, Rushika, for being an awesome PI and role model to many future scientists.
I would like to extend a personal thank you to Dr. Rushika Perera for truly caring about my future and my education. I I am so grateful to have a mentor like you that goes above and beyond to make sure that I'm achieving all of my personal and professional goals. Thank you so much.
On a more personal note, I would like to thank Rushika for being a wonderful mentor. She sees the unearthed potential in all her mentees and never fails to bring that potential into being. Congratulations, Rushika, on winning this award, and as always, RP rocks.
Thank you for all of your hard work and dedication to science as a whole, to yourself and your future, and to your students' future. I have never seen anybody fight as fiercely as you have for your students, and I've never had someone tell me that I am worth it as much as you, and it is surmountable in how far I've come in the last year. I did not think I had a future in science. I thought I'd be waiting tables for the rest of my life. And now I can clearly say I have a definitive future in the field. Rushika, if I could be half the person, half the teacher, person, and scientist Rushika is, I would consider myself one of the most successful people in the world. She has shown me through this SARS pandemic that even an individual can make a difference. One person can do something so incredible that could change the world, and I truly believe that's what she's doing. And to be a part of her lab and to be contributing to this groundbreaking work is absolutely amazing, and I'm proud to call myself a woman in science, and a woman in science in Dr. Rushika Perera's lab.
So, Rushika, thank you from all of us for all that you do. Thank you for setting such an amazing example for all of us, for taking a chance on all of us, and for constantly pushing us to grow and become. Congratulations on receiving this award.